to my channel, TONED Vlogs. Today we are doing mommies in yoga pants and we are toning our arms. So if you have a weight, go ahead and grab it. I'm using a 7-pound weight. Whatever works for you. If you don't have a weight, that's totally fine. You can use a milk jug, a can, anything, a water jug, anything that you can find to use is fine. Or you don't even have to use anything. You can still do it if you don't have anything. Just use your own resistance. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. So there's so many different exercises you can do like this, and it really, really helps your arms a lot. So we're just going to start holding the sides. We're just going to go out and in. This is really good for your chest muscles. Just keep your back straight. Tighten your belly. And even if you're using a weight, still try to use your own resistance. Every little bit counts. Okay. Moving right along, go ahead, and we're going up. Okay. Now we're going to go in front of us. Squeeze your arms and you go up. Squeeze.
This is all you need. Be your everything, and I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel. Please just say it's real. More than just a thrill, not just in it for the thrill. I'm in it for the love.